Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to unzip and view file contents without fully downloading in Google Drive. Have you ever been in a situation where you need to quickly look at the contents of a large zip file stored in your Google Drive, but downloading the entire file just seems too time-consuming or unnecessary, especially when you only need a few specific files from it? Well, today's tutorial will show you how you can access those files with ease, without having to download the entire archive. This method can save you time, bandwidth, and storage space. Let's get started. First, let's explore the use of Zip Extractor, a practical tool available within the Google Workspace. To begin, you'll need to add Zip Extractor from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once you've installed it, locate the archive file in your Google Drive. This could be a zip, RA, or even a 7Z file. Right-click on the file, go to Open With, and then choose Zip Extractor. This app will load and present you with a neatly organized list of files that are inside the archive. Here's the beauty of it. You can choose to preview any file right on the spot or download just the individual files you want without having to extract the entire archive. If you do want to extract, you have the flexibility to selectively unzip only certain files or everything into a new folder within your Google Drive. And rest assured, all these actions are performed client-side, which means your data remains secure and is not uploaded to an external server. Now, another useful method involves using a web app such as ZipDocument. By visiting zipdoc.so, you can utilize their Open Zip File function to navigate through your archive's contents. This tool is particularly advantageous because it allows you to download specific files or even save them directly into your Google Drive. ZipDoc also prioritizes your privacy by not storing the entire archive on their servers permanently, only the parts you choose to work with. Additionally, there are browser-based tools like EasyZip or DM Tools Zip Extractor. These tools are incredibly effective for opening zip files directly in your browser. They operate on the client side, which means you don't have to send any data to a remote server, keeping your files secure. For instance, DIM tools can handle zip files up to about 100 megabytes in size, providing a detailed file tree view and allowing you to download just the files you need. An important step to remember is that you'll need to first download the zip file from Google Drive to your local browser without saving it to your hard drive, and then drop it into the extraction tool. Finally, let's discuss a versatile Chrome extension called Unzip. This extension supports a variety of archive formats including zip, RA, 7Z, and tar. With Unzip, you can preview the folder tree and decompress any archive locally within your browser. This is an excellent solution if you prefer not to download large archives completely and only want specific files. Each of these methods provides a seamless way to manage compressed files in Google Drive, reducing the need for full downloads and boosting your efficiency. Whether you choose Zip Extractor, ZipDoc, browser-based tools, or the Unzip extension, you're now equipped to handle large zip or RA files far more effectively. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to unzip and view file contents without fully downloading in Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.